Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
The Apple AirTag has become an incredibly popular tool for keeping track of your belongings. Many people love its convenience and reliability. But a question often comes up, especially as we approach new product cycles. Can you actually change the battery in an AirTag yourself? This concern is particularly relevant with recent discussions about potential changes in 2025 models. Let's dive into the current situation and what the future might hold for these handy little trackers. Great news if you own an AirTag right now. Replacing its battery is very straightforward. Current AirTags use a common CR2032 coin cell battery. These are inexpensive and easily found in most stores. To change it, you simply press down and twist the polished metal cover. Then, pop out the old battery and insert a fresh one. It is a quick process, ensuring your AirTag keeps tracking efficiently for another year or so. No complex steps or trips to a service center are needed. So, why are people specifically asking about 2025 when it comes to AirTag batteries? Well, Apple often updates its products, and speculation naturally arises about new features or design changes. Historically, Apple has shifted towards integrated, non-user replaceable batteries in many of their devices. This move is often driven by factors like improved water resistance, sleeker designs, or even new regulatory requirements. These rumors lead many to wonder if a future AirTag, possibly in 2025, might follow suit and ditch the convenient replaceable battery. If Apple does release a new AirTag in 2025, there is a possibility it could feature a sealed, non-user replaceable battery. This design choice would be consistent with many of Apple's recent innovations across their product line. A sealed unit could potentially offer significantly better water resistance, protecting the tracker from accidental submersions. It might also pave the way for new charging methods, perhaps even wireless charging, extending the device's lifespan in different ways. This remains speculation, but it's a trend we've seen before. To summarize, if you currently own an Apple AirTag, you can absolutely change its battery with ease. The common CR2032 coin cell is all you need. Looking ahead to potential 2025 models, while rumors suggest a shift, nothing is confirmed yet. It is always smart to verify product specifications directly from Apple, especially if you plan to buy a new AirTag around that time. Keep your current trackers powered up and enjoy the peace of mind they provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.